The Moidams of the Ahom dynasty in Assam were declared India's 43rd World Heritage Site on the 26th of July 2024 during UNESCO's 46th World Heritage Committee session in New Delhi. The Moidams were nominated as India's candidate for the UNESCO World Heritage List. This makes them the first cultural property from Northeast India to receive this prestigious recognition from the United Nations agency that works to promote educational, scientific and cultural development.
हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया के ऐतिहासिक मोइदम यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सूची में शामिल होना प्रस्तावित है। ये भारत की 43rd वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट और नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की पहली धरोहर होगी जिसे कल्चरल वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज का दर्जा मिल रहा है।
What are Moidams of Ahom dynasty? The Moidams are burial mounds of Ahom kings, queens, and nobles in Assam. The name Moidam comes from the Thai words Frang maidam or maidam, meaning to bury the spirit of the dead, according to an academic report from Assam government. Understand importance of Moidams in 5 points. Moidams are unique burial mounds built by the Ahom dynasty rulers in Assam from the 13th to the early 19th century. These mounds are distinct for their architecture and reflect the Ahom's foreign influences. Moidams primarily serve as the burial sites for Ahom kings, queens, and nobles. They are found throughout Upper Assam, with charaideo, the first Ahom capital, being the main necropolis. Charaideo became a sacred site where the Ahom royalty were buried following traditional Thai Ahom rites. What does a Moidam have? Each Moidam has 3 main parts: a vault or chamber where the body is placed, a hemispherical earthen mound covering the chamber, a brick structure or chauchali on top for annual offerings, and an octagonal boundary wall with an arched gateway. The size of the Moidams ranges from small mounds to large hillocks, depending on the status and resources of the deceased. Originally, vaults were made of wooden poles and beams, but were replaced with stone and brick during the reign of King Rudra Singha from 1696 to 1714 CE. Inside the vault, the dead were buried with their belongings, including clothes, ornaments, and weapons. The burial also included valuables and, at times, living or dead attendants. According to some popular belief, some servant are also offered with the dead king so that they can serve him during his last journey. But the practice of burying people alive was abolished by King Rudra Singha. How did Moidam burial tradition start and come to an end? The Moidam burial tradition began with the first Ahom king, Chau Lungsuka Fa, who was buried at charaideo according to Thai Ahom rites. This practice continued for Ahom royalty, making charaideo a sacred site during their 600-year rule. Over time, with Hinduism influence, the Ahoms began cremating their dead. However, Moidam burials are still practiced by some priestly groups and among the royal bodyguards called the Chau Dang clan. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your one subscribe means a lot for us. Thank you.